Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and love creating stunning videos, but dread spending hours on color grading, I have some exciting news for you. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked features about Filmora 14, the AI color palette. This tool is designed to make color matching effortless and professional. So grab a coffee and let's explore how this feature can revolutionize your editing workflow. First thing first, what exactly is the AI color palette? Simply put, it's an upgraded version of the color match feature in Filmora. This tool uses advanced AI to automatically extract colors from any image or video and create a matching palette for you. Okay, so whenever you are working on a vlog, a cinematic short, or product videos, this feature ensures a unified and polished look. Here are the highlights of what makes the AI color palette must try. Automatic color matching? Forget hours of manual grading. Skin tone protection. Keep skin tones naturally even if you apply dramatic color changes. Complete customization. Adjust highlights and midstones. Shadows and more to fine-tune the final look. 3D Luti integration. You can even use professional LUTs or create your own for cinematic field. Let me show you how easy it is to use this feature. Okay, so before we jump in, I just want to go and show you guys this Black Friday deal. Okay, it's already available. It's 30% off, and I'll be leaving link inside the description of this video. But now let's go into the Filmora, and I'll show you how this feature works. Okay, start by importing your reference image or video along with your target footage into the Filmora media panel. Okay, I already done so. So we got an image here. I will show you, it's this one. Okay, so we got an image and we also have an imported video, which I want to make it as a reference. Okay, so now head over to the color tab. Okay, where it's located over here, and pick AI color palette now. What we see is just those two, images, right? So now on the reference side, we want to make sure that the image is actually the one which we want to reference to. Okay, so here's our reference image, and that's our image we want to implement this AI color palette into. Okay, so now once we put those together, we can either do it on the timeline, or you can go and download it from your local file. Now let's go and hit generate. Okay, once we hit generate, after a second you will see that this color has changed. Okay, I took the reference from this one here on the left-hand side, and it's booted over here. Alright, so that's how it works. Okay, now what you can do with this color, you can do everything what you like to do with, with this type of, adjustments. You can adjust the temperature here. You can do the tint adjustment. You can see how those things are actually changing over here. Okay, and you can add the vibrance and the saturation as well. So once you're happy with everything, okay, you can make sure that, everything gets in the line with what you're expecting. And finally, you can hit and save and apply. Alright, and voila! Your video now matches the color tone of your reference perfectly. Okay, so here's the reference. It's our video after we've done this AI palette color. Okay, so check this out. Here's the before and after. So I'm going to show you it's something which you're going to see here. Reference, and that's after the reference has been applied, right? I think it's absolutely amazing. Notice how colors are beautiful aligned with the reference image, and the skin tones remain flawless. No need for tedious adjustment or second guessing. Still not convinced? Let me tell you why this tool is perfect for every creator. Shooting multiple angle scenes, the AI color palette ensures consistent colors across all shots. Adding a VFX to your video, match the colors seamlessly for a cohesive look. Creating a piece of content like podcasts or series, maintain the same color. Grading styles across all episodes effortlessly. Here's what you got using this particular, feature. Okay, so I think that's a great tool. Okay, so to sum up, the core palette is more than just a feature. It's a creative tool that saves time, simplifies workflows, and gives your video a professional edge. The best part? It's super beginner friendly. Okay, whatever your hobbyist or professional user, this is the feature you would like to explore. Download Filmora 14 and try AI Color Pad for yourselves. Trust me, you won't look back. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos, editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.